welcome back to my channel. So here today I am going to do a food review. I'm working on being on a healthier path. So today I will be showing you how to make some energy balls and walk you through the steps. It's a super good snack if you're trying to stay on a healthy track and you like sweets. So I love sweets. I can eat ice cream all day and sweets are my weakness. So when it comes to dieting, I want to try to be healthier or make healthier choices. So this is really going to help. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, so let's get our ingredients together. I'm going to do all equal parts and I'm going to do 1/2 cup of each ingredient. Right, so what you're going to need is milk chocolate or dark chocolate chips. You're going to need coconut flakes, honey, peanut butter, oats, and you're also going to need like a glass bowl or a mixing bowl for you to pour all the ingredients in, an aluminum pan for you to do your energy balls on, and aluminum foil, of course. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the chocolate chips. And like I said, I'm gonna do equal parts. So of each ingredient, I'm gonna do 1/2 cup. Now, if you wanna do less, it's just me eating these. So 1/2 cup is fine. If you wanna do more, you can do a cup. I would say this batch got about 9 balls out of it. So, and like I said, I'm the only one eating them, so that's fine. So I did 1/2 cup of the chocolate chips, and I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of the coconut flakes here. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the peanut butter. Like I said again, I'm gonna do equal parts. Oh, I guess I'm doing the oats now. Oh yeah, I remember why I did the oats. I was going to get the peanut butter, but I was going to do all the dry produce first. So anything dry I did first, and then I was going to do anything liquid after. So just a little bit into my thought process here. All right, so look at how I'm positioning everything in the bowl. How cute. That was like a work of art right there. And with the honey, I didn't even measure. I just literally, you can see all the parts are the same type of size. So I just squeezed it till it was like the same size on there. So this is how it looks in the bowl. So now you're gonna stir everything up. It already looks good. I'm gonna go get another one while I'm watching this. Right. So you want to make sure it's all mixed up together. Every part has coconuts, every part has chocolate chips. So all right, once you get everything mixed together, then I just use my hands to make the round balls. Like you can use a spoon or whatever you need to, but I just used my hands. It's really not a big deal because like I said, I'm only making a couple of them. I'm not making anything crazy, and I would do them like a medium size. Just keep in mind, like, you know, you want this to be a snack. Like you don't want to do them too big to where you're eating too much of it, but not too little to where it doesn't fill you up. Another thing you can add is flax seeds, which I did forget to put in, which helps burn fat. So that's another addition you can add, which I will do next time. So here they are. I did have some mixture left over. So after this, you want to just put them in the refrigerator overnight so they can harden, and then you'll be able to eat them the next day. So let's see how they turned out. So this is how they came out. So delicious. And they're hard too. I mean, they look soft, but they're not.